Hi folks, in this video I'm going to show you how to get started with Trinity Radar using our Chrome extension and then how to go about using both the extension and the application. So first on this website just click on get started. It will show you a link to Chrome extension. Let's go over there, and over here all we need to do is we need to do add to Chrome. So we add the extension, and after the extension has been added, you can see that Trinity Radar has been added to Chrome. Now what we are going to do, we are going to test this. So in order to test the site, let's go to a tea selling site, which is earthlytea.com. So first I click on the extension and it will prompt me to log in. I already have an account, so I'm going to log into that account. But if you don't have an account, then you can also register. So once the account has been, you have logged into the application. Sorry, once you have logged into the extension, then you can do the start recording. So when you click on start recording, immediately you will see two things. First thing you will see is that the extension has now A. So what it means is that now it is in the assertion mode, and you click here and you can see that it has two modes, assertion mode and browsing mode. And in the assertion mode you will see that your cursor has changed. So let's scroll down, and here we will assert that Darjeeling text is here. So once you click here, we can see at the top right corner that assertion added message comes and then it disappears. So we are also going to assert that the price is $11, and here we are going to assert that the price is $16. But if I click on, now I want to go inside the Darjeeling page, but if you click on it, you will see that it just keeps adding assertion. And that's why you need to click here to go and switch to browsing mode. In the browsing mode, the cursor has changed, and now you click on Darjeeling, and now we have browsed to this page. But once we have come to this page, I want to assert that on this page we have the right text and the right price. So let's do that. Switch to assertion mode. Here we will assert this, and we'll also assert that it says Earthly Tea here. And then we will go to browsing mode, and we'll just click on add to cart, and then we click on our shopping cart here. Now click to checkout. So now we are on the checkout page. So here I want to assert that by default, when the page comes here, we have Darjeeling tea and the price is $11. And now I will switch to browsing mode, and I will click on it two times. So if I click on two times, and if everything is working correctly, then I should see $33 here and $33 here. So let's assert that. Okay, and now I want to see if the minus sign is working or not. So if I click on it, now the quantity should decrease to 2. So let's assert that quantity has decreased to 2 and the price has changed to 22, and here the price has changed to 22. And one last feature that we want to test is switch to browsing mode and click on here to kill all the items, and now here I want to assert that after that I should see the message empty cart. So we have done a bunch of assertions here. Now let's click on done recording, and once you click on done recording, it will ask you to create a project, and here we will create a project called Earthly Tea, and we just hit submit, and this will take you to our Trinity Radar backend application. And in this application, if you click on the project, you can see that we have a single test, and right now the test is running for Chrome browser. We can do some environment settings. This is a recent activity. Here we have a feature to share it with other people, and we can do integration with Slack. Right now I am not connected to Slack, but if you connect to Slack, it will show you how to it will ask you to pick the right channel where the message could be sent. And there are a bunch of project settings. You can change the name of the project, you can schedule when the test should be run, and for this we have videos. If you click on help, that will take you to our help section where we have a bunch of videos related to JavaScript error, grouping of tests, concurrency, and whatnot. So now let's come back to the test runs. This test has started running. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to pause the video because it might take some time for the test to run, and then I will resume the video when the test result has come. So now our test run is complete, and you can see that success, and for the Chrome browser it's green. So let's click here on the test name, and here we can see all the steps that we collected. Like that price should be $33, and then we clicked it on the icon minus, then the text, the quantity should be 2, and all those things. And at any point of time we can click on the picture icon, and we should be able to see a screenshot. The screenshot is not appearing. Let me do a hard refresh, and let me click on it now, and now we see that the screenshot is appearing. So as the browser ran, these are the screens the browser looked at. So we can browse through the screens the browser saw, and yeah, so this is for the browser Chrome. If you click on the project and go to project settings, and then you go to select browsers, you can see that the Firefox and IE, they are coming soon. Internally we are using Firefox. It has a few issues, so we are trying to fix them. In a month it should be released, and then IE is also coming shortly after that.